Hey guys, hello. You're welcome back to my channel. It's Ipheey here, aka Ipheey. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make rice water for your hair. Firstly, rice water is the starchy water remains you get after soaking your rice or cooking it. And rice water is said to have vitamin B, vitamin E, amino acid, antioxidants, and minerals. So imagine what all those is going to do for your hair when you use it on your hair. Of course, it's going to increase your hair growth. And the Asian women have realized this. That is why for many years now, they've been using rice water to improve their hair growth. Rice water doesn't only grow your hair, it also helps in detangling. A whole lot of benefits of rice water, and I will advise you try it. In my next video I'm going to show you guys how I make use of rice water on my hair, but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make rice water. For a start, I categorize my rice water into two: the plain rice water and the fermented rice water. Now the plain rice water, you can actually get it from merely washing your rice and then soaking your rice for like 2 to 3 hours, and when you are done you can use the rice water. Or your plain rice water could also be gotten from boiling your rice and then making use of the water after boiling, but I advise you make use of the fermented rice water. Most of the time when it is boiling, the heat is going to take away almost all the nutrients you need for your hair, so why bother? So the best thing to do is just to soak your rice for like 24 to 48 hours. Most of the time I do 48 hours, but anyone could work. So now, how do you prepare fermented rice water? All you need to do is you either get your white rice or your brown rice, and in this video I'm making use of the white rice. So to make your rice water, what you need, you're going to need about 3 spoons of rice in a bowl. You need a bowl with water, and you need an airtight jar. And I'm going to be making use of 3 spoons of my organic rice in the bowl of water. Now there's water in that bowl so that I'll be able to wash the rice. It's very important to wash your rice so that it doesn't leave any dirt behind in your hair after you've made use of it to deep condition, rinse, or pre-poo. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the rice thoroughly before storing it in the airtight jar. So when I'm done washing the rice, I'm going to get my airtight jar and I'm going to transfer the rice into the airtight jar, and I'm going to pour a little water like to the half of the jar, and I'm going to cover it up and leave it in a dark warm corner for like 1 to 2 days. That's 24 hours to 48 hours. So after 2 days, you see that my rice water is looking whiter than it was the very first day I soaked it. That's because the nutrients from the rice is out and is ready to work magic on your hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer the water into a wide bowl, and I'm going to go ahead, use my nails and break the rice because it's softer now, so it's easy to break. I break the rice in order to bring out whatever nutrient is left in the rice. So when I'm done, I'm going to dilute my water, because after the rice water has fermented, it becomes acidic in nature, so it's very important to dilute your rice water so it doesn't affect your hair negatively. So when I'm done, I'm going to just transfer my rice water. After my rice has settled, I'm going to transfer it to my spray bottle, and then my rice water is ready to use. This is as simple as it can be, and I prefer fermented rice water because plain rice water's pH level is quite higher than our hair pH level. So fermented rice water is the best. Rice water makes hair to grow. I don't want to come here to just blab and tell you rice water makes hair to grow, spray it on your hair, do this. No, I'm actually going to come back and show you guys with my natural hair that actually rice water works. I've used it countless times. That's why I'm even making this video in the first place. I've used it countless times. So guys, when you are done making your rice water, and maybe you want to do a challenge, like 10 days challenge, to see how long your hair has grown, you can just store your rice water in your fridge. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. I'm going to actually come back in another video to show you how to make use of rice water on your hair and to actually show you that rice water works. So guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if this is your first time watching my video, kindly go and see every one of my videos. And if you love my content, please kindly give me a thumbs up to be so helpful to me. Kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share my videos and my links to your friends that are interested in knowing how to keep and grow their natural hair. So guys, I'm going to see you on my next one. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. God bless you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.